Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Fit starter. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the parking brake is engaged. For safety, always disconnect the negative battery terminal using a 10 mm wrench before starting any work. This prevents accidental electrical shorts. You'll also want to have your basic hand tools ready, including a ratchet and various sockets. Next, you'll need to locate the starter motor. In a Honda Fit, it's usually found on the passenger side of the engine, mounted to the transmission. You might need to remove the air intake box and possibly some other small components to gain clear access. This step is crucial for a smooth removal process, so take your time to ensure you have enough space to work. Now, let's remove the old starter. First, carefully disconnect the main power cable and the smaller solenoid wire from the starter. These are usually secured with nuts. Then, you'll need to unbolt the two mounting bolts that hold the starter to the transmission housing. Once these bolts are out, you can carefully maneuver the old starter out of its position. To install the new starter, simply reverse the removal process. Carefully position the new starter into place and secure it with the two mounting bolts. Make sure they are tightened to the manufacturer's specifications. Reconnect the solenoid wire and the main power cable, ensuring all connections are snug. Finally, reconnect your negative battery terminal and test your new starter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.